In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to label Gmail emails with n8n. If you've ever wanted your inbox to organize itself, this is a simple, reliable way to add labels to messages automatically so you can sort, filter, and act on emails with less manual work. Start by heading to n8n.io and open your n8n instance. Create a new workflow so you're looking at a blank canvas. You'll see an option to add your first step. Click that to open the node selector. This is where you'll choose the service you want to work with. Type Gmail into the search bar and select the Gmail node. The Gmail node connects your workflow to your Google account, so n8n can perform actions on your mail. Once the node is added, look for the action field and choose Add Label to Message. This action tells n8n to apply an existing Gmail label to an email. It's helpful for routing newsletters, prioritizing support messages, or tagging invoices. If you plan to use a specific label, make sure it already exists in your Gmail account. You can create labels in Gmail ahead of time so they're available here. Next, under the credential to connect with section, open the dropdown. Because we haven't connected Gmail yet, choose Create New Credential. For the authentication type, select OAuth2. OAuth2 is a secure standard that lets n8n request permission to access Gmail on your behalf without storing your password. It's the recommended option for Google services. Click Sign In with Google. A Google window will appear asking you to choose an account and grant the necessary permissions. Approve the requested access so n8n can apply labels to your messages. If you don't see the window, check your browser's pop-up settings and allow pop-ups for n8n. Use the Google account that manages the mailbox you want to label. After signing in, you'll return to n8n. Click Save to store the credential. Saving completes the connection, and you should see your new credential selected in the Gmail node. At this point, your node can communicate with Gmail securely. From here, the Gmail node is ready to add labels to messages as part of your workflow. You can continue configuring the node to point at the messages you want to label and use your chosen label. When you're done, your automation will apply the label consistently, helping keep your inbox organized without manual effort. That's it, your Gmail labeling setup in n8n is connected and ready to use. Thanks for watching and enjoy a cleaner, smarter inbox.